Welcome to Boca Raton's premier destination for all your cleaning needs. From residential to commercial spaces, our carpet cleaning services are unmatched. We offer eco-friendly solutions, pet hair removal, and same-day services. Our before and after results speak volumes about our deep cleaning and restoration capabilities. Need a quick estimate? We provide those for free. Our expertise extends to area rugs, including Oriental and Persian treasures. We handle delicate materials with care, ensuring your rugs are restored to their original glory. Tiles aren't overlooked either. We tackle everything from shower tile restoration to deep grout cleaning, leaving your floors spotless. Furniture rejuvenation is our forte. Whether it's leather or fabric, sofas or sectionals, our eco-friendly and deep cleaning methods revive your upholstery. We also specialize in pet hair and odor removal, ensuring a fresh, clean home environment. For pet owners, our enzyme treatments and professional stain removal services are a lifesaver. We even offer emergency cleaning for those unexpected accidents. Whatever you need cleaned, give us a call. Experience the transformation with us.